Hello guys, I am Sadakat Ali and you are watching Turab Engineering YouTube channel. Today I will be show you earth leakage relay. I already made video on this topic but some friend request me please explain in English, so I will try to explain you in English. Let's join us and keep watching this video. So I am going to discuss about earth leakage relay, what is the working principle of earth leakage relay and where we use this relay. Earth leakage relay normally we use for protection from earth leakage from earth fault in low and medium voltage. So now we will discuss how we can make connection of earth leakage relay with CBCT and MCCB circuit breakers. First things I will explain you when we going to use any kind of relay. So must we have to provide power on its coil terminal as per rated value of this relay. Hello guys, now you can check in this drawing how we can make connection of earth leakage relay. Earth leakage relay has two control point 7 and point 8. Point 7 we connect with the red phase and point 8 we connect with the neutral. We provide supply according to the rated value of this relay. And other 2 points you can check in this drawing, point number 11 and point number 12. We write there S1 and S2. These 2 points we use for CBCT, core balance current transformer, and other 3 points 4, 5 and 6.4. This is the one common point, and point number 5 this is the one normal close, and point number 6 this is the one normal open. So normal open point we connect with the shunt coil, point S2, and other point S1 of shunt coil we connect with the neutral. And other 3 points you can check in this drawing, 1 2 3. This is point number 1 this is the one common, and point number 2 this is one normal close, and point number 3 this is one normal open point. These 3 points we use for buzzer. If we going to connect a buzzer in this circuit, so we can use these 3 points 1 2 and 3. So during the normal conditions, when we going to switch on this breaker, our supply will flow center from this CBCT, but there no more flux and not develop residual current in these points S1 and S2 during the earth fault and any happened. Hello guys, now we are going to explain you working principle of earth leakage relay. In normal condition, when we switch on our MCCB circuit breaker, our supply will flow center of this CBCT, core balance current transformer. When there have a earth fault and earth leakage, so residual current will flow between these 2 points S1 and S2. When this residual current value exceed the limit value of earth leakage relay will operate, and this normal open point 6 which one we use for a shunt coil, this become a close and our circuit breaker will trip.